Hey, what's going on, all you photographers and tech enthusiasts out there today? I know that we have a million devices that we got to keep charged on a daily basis. We're using our drones, we're using our Insta360s and our gimbals, our laptops, tablets, you name it. In 2025, everything needs to be charged, including my keyboard, right? So to make things easier, I went ahead and picked up one of these 200-watt 6-port Anker desktop charging stations. And today we just wanted to share my experience with it with you guys. How much it cost me, where I got it from, some additional accessories that you yourself may need to pick up. Don't make the same mistake I did with that bag, but yeah, we'll talk about the price and everything else coming up next. So I went ahead and picked mine up here on Labor Day weekend. They were doing a deal on Amazon. It was $56 for this. Really good bang for your buck. We know that Anker is a super high quality cable manufacturer, charging manufacturer. They make good products. So to find that on the Labor Day sale was really beneficial for me. I think if you don't buy it on sale, it's gonna run you about 80 bucks. Regardless, I still think that's a competitive and fair price point for what you're getting here. Because there's a lot of cool tech that is going to protect you from burning your house down in this thing, right? We know that this is a quality manufacturer. They're using some of the latest technology to power your devices, and we'll talk a little bit more about that after the unboxing of this thing. So the unboxing experience itself was pretty self-explanatory. The box itself is actually really nice. They're taking a page off of Apple's book. You know, I know Razer has some really good unboxing experience as well. This box is tight. So when you finally get it open, all you're really gonna find inside is the power cable and the charging station itself. So that's why I mentioned you are gonna need to pick up some USB-C and USB-A cables. For me, I thought this was a 4-pack when I bought it. It would have been perfect, right? It's got 4 USB-C ports, 4 cables in the pack. Unfortunately, I must have made a mistake, I guess, because we know Amazon never makes mistakes. I bought a 3-pack. I'll have to buy another 3-pack and have some extra cables laying around, but no problem there. But yeah, straightforward with the unboxing. There was a quick start guide to talk about some of the power capabilities. Other than that, they have some great information on their website as well. So yeah, as far as tech specs go, obviously this thing is delivering the 200 watts. Actually, if I'm honest with you, I added it up from the website and it's 199 watts. Don't kill me. You're looking at the same picture as I am here. But yeah, the power delivery on this thing goes from left to right, okay? So your most powerful device, probably gonna be a laptop. You do wanna plug it into the lefternmost USB-C port, and it's even indicated by the little laptop icon. But from left to right, I think it goes, when you have all 6 devices in, the USB-A ports, they only support, I think, 12 watts each, right? So you got 12. Then it steps down to 65, 45, 45, 25, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, just double check the image on the screen right now. But just, it's important to remember, keep your most important devices on the lefternmost side. For me, it's not a super big issue because I'll get into this a little more in my setup. I'm not using a lot of power hungry devices like laptops, mostly just my photography gear. I wanted to make a nice station for me to come home to, unload my bag, make sure the charger etiquette's good, right? Because when I go out for another real estate shoot the next day, everything needs to be ready to go. So that's what this is for me. So for my photography gear, I'm not really drawing more than 100 watts in general. By my estimations, I'm only running about 99 watts through this thing across all 6 of my devices. So for me, this is actually gonna work perfect, right? I can probably expect a full charge on all this gear within like 4 hours time, which again, if I'm coming home after a long day shooting, I got 12 hours till the next day. Definitely gonna charge everything in time, nicely and safely, evenly. No issues there. So this, for me, works really great. And you can see as I start plugging this stuff up, super easy. I went ahead and got some cable management, which I'll link some of that down below if you wanted to get some of that for yourself. And I obviously got to label everything, right? And so with everything labeled, for me, that's a wrap on this, right? Not too much else to say about the Anker 200-watt 6-in-1 charging station. It is very high quality, it's very good, and it's gonna solve my needs. If you're a photographer, if you're a tech enthusiast, consider picking one of these up. You can set it on your desk, you know, if you get your phone, your tablet, your watches, any of that stuff, it's gonna handle it no problem. And if you do wanna purchase this, I'll leave a couple links below. If you order off the Amazon link, I'll get a small kickback. Appreciate you for that. Definitely check out their website as well, Anker's website, because there is some additional details on there that you might want to check out if you're interested in the safety, the power delivery capabilities, and some of the intricacies about, you know, plugging in one device versus 4 versus 6, right? They have some really cool graphics up there about that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the tech review here. I hope you find this product useful, and I hope it helps you in your business, your office, whatever you're using it for. For now, I am going to get to work. You guys have a good one. Thanks again.